everyone. Ella unnaru andaru. Today we are going to IKEA and not just any IKEA. This is IKEA in Netherlands. We need a lot of things for the house, toy storage, a study table for LV. And honestly, I just wanted to walk around and look at everything. Let's go. So we have reached IKEA. First stop is toy storage. Our house is completely scattered right now, and cleaning is a full time job every single evening. So I want something open, something he can reach himself. He should be able to put things back and take them out on his own. Look at this simple, low, and he can actually see what's inside. Now, this is the thing I spend the longest time on, white or wood. The white one looks beautiful in the shop, but with a 3-year-old, white gets dirty in about 2 days, fingerprints, marker, food, and then cleaning. That becomes another job for me. But that's not even the main reason. Let me show you the labels. The white one is a particle board that's actually a compressed wood powder, whereas the brown one is a solid pine, it's actually a real wood. If the wood one gets scratched, I can sand it and fix it, but if the white one gets damaged, the surface peels and there's nothing I can do. While I was reading labels, he had already found his own section. He walked straight to this study table and chair and sat down like it was already his. However, his school starts next year, so we are not buying anything today. We are just looking around, getting an idea of what's out there and what size work for him. And then 5 minutes later, he has completely forgotten about it because he found the soft toys. That was the end of any serious shopping for a while. Honestly, this is why I like coming here with him. He's happy, he's busy, and I actually get time to look at things properly. Okay, halfway through, we were properly hungry, so went to IKEA restaurant. We found a table and I sat with him while my husband went to get the food. And of course, Daim cake. This is our favorite every single time. Elvi loves it just as much as we do, maybe more. We also got garlic bread, some veggie balls, and some fries. Simple, but after walking around for an hour, it tasted amazing.
टिश्यू मम्मा टिश्यू देगी.
So finally done with lunch, then trace back, everything cleared. That's the rule here. You take your own tray back. So back to it, more walking, more looking around. I was also hoping to find a single-seater sofa for our hall, but honestly none of them felt right. Nothing I saw made me want to take it home. So I left it. Better to wait than to buy something you're not sure about. Meanwhile, LV had decided I was the entertainment. He wanted me to sit on a chair so he could spin me around. That was the game for about 10 minutes. And then he was done, completely tired, so he found a basket and just sat in it, which is how we ended up getting the trolley basket. Both of them were tired at that point, so they sat down in one place and I went off and did a full round on my own, peacefully picking up random things for the house. And that's when I found the cabinets. We have been looking for a hallway cabinet for a while. In our old place, we had a white one, but this is a new house and I wanted to change the whole theme, brown or grey, something warmer. I really like this dark brown one and the grey one behind it too. Honestly, still deciding between them. And then the wardrobe section, because I wanted to look at some accessories, not a wardrobe itself. Just the inside things, drawers, dividers, boxes, the small stuff that actually keep everything sorted. And then this room, nature screens all the way around, flowers hanging from the ceiling. I stood here for a long came back and found both of them sitting in one place, completely tired, just sitting there playing together, not moving anywhere. Honestly, this is my favorite kind of photo. Nobody posing, nobody knowing I'm recording, just the two of them. Done for the day. Finally done, everything loaded into the back of the car and straight to home. And then actual work started. We fixed the toy storage the same evening. Honestly, it was quite easy to fix. The instruction was simple, all the parts were there, and it came together much faster than I expected. is how it looks after fixing. And this is with the toys in it. Everything has a place now. He loves it. He really loves it. He's already taking his toys out and putting them back himself, which was the whole reason we bought it. So that's a win. So that was our IKEA day. Now tell me dark brown or grey for the hallway cabinet. I can't decide, so I'm going with the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.